Morning children, in previous class I explained the coastal plains. These coastal plains I explained. Today I am going to explain about the islands. Islands means what? The land is covered by water. Surrounding water is called, small piece of land is called island. So we can see in these islands, see here and here we can see the islands. So see, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep are two main groups of islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. So, see here is we can see the Andaman and Nicobar Island that is in Bay of Bengal. Here is Bay of Bengal Island and here we can see the Arabian Sea. These Lakshadweep Island we can see in this लक्षद्वीप अरेबियन सी में हम लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स देख सकते हैं और बे ऑफ बंगाल में हम देख सकते हैं अरेबियन अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स. अभी देखो अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स. द अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स आर टू ग्रुप्स ऑफ आइलैंड्स. ये टू ग्रुप्स ऑफ आइलैंड्स है. अंडमान एंड निकोबार दोनों मिलके एक ही ग्रुप में आता है. देखो बे ऑफ बंगाल पोर्ट ब्लेयर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ द टू ग्रुप्स. अंडमान एंड निकोबार का कैपिटल कौन सा है? ब्लेयर is the capital of the two groups of islands. Andaman Islands lies to the north and the Nicobar Islands lies to the south. Here north side is Andaman and south side is Nicobar. These all the islands together, groups of islands are called, main islands are we can see in the Bay of Bengal. So see here, both the groups of islands are separated by the 10-degree canals. They separated, these all the islands, both the islands are separated by the 10-degree channel. Next, Andaman and Nicobar Islands also have historical importance. These all the islands are having some historical importance. Which historical importance it islands have? See here. The British government used to send the freedom fighters to these islands. They were kept in the cellular jail at Port Blair. Rice, maize, coconut and rubber are main crops grow here. So we can see this jail. Which jail is this? Cellular jail. Before that, before freedom of our country, the British government is sending those who are fight for the freedom. That persons they are sending in this jail. And this is in Blair Port. Port में है ये cellular jail. Next, here which crops they are growing? Rice, maize, coconut and rubber are the main crops they are growing in that Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next, Lakshadweep Island में अभी Lakshadweep is comes in Arabian Sea I said. Andaman Nicobar is comes in Bay of Bengal. So see Lakshadweep Islands, the Lakshadweep islands which lie in the Arabian Sea look like a horseshoe. Horseshoe means shoe for the horse formed of a narrow land. Narrow land है वो छोटे से जगह है. उस जगह में उसको हॉर्स शू कैसे रहता है ना वैसे दिखता है. सो कवरत्ती इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ लक्षद्वीप. लक्षद्वीप का कैपिटल सिटी कौन सा है? कवरत्ती. सो अंडमान का कौन सा बोला? ब्लेयर. सो सी हियर द आइलैंड आर मेड ऑफ अ कोरल डिपॉजिट्स. कोरल मीन्स लाइक अ rock, big rocks are deposits and separated over an area of 110 square kilometer. It is the smallest union territory of India. Only 10 islands have people living on them. The coconut is the main crop and fishing is the means of livelihood of a people here. So in this Lakshadweep Island, from there we can see the deposit of rocks, and this 10 square kilometer is this. Only 10 islands are live on that land. Life human beings are we can see on that land. आइलैंड में हम 10 आइलैंड में हम देख सकते हैं लिविंग बींग्स को. देखो, दिस इज वन ऑफ द यूनियन टेरिटरी मीन्स सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का उसमें रूलिंग रहता है. सो विच अंडमान एंड निकोबार एंड लक्षद्वीप उसके ऊपर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का दबाव रहता है. अभी कोकोनट इज मेन क्रॉप, उसमें कोकोनट बहुत ग्रो होते हैं. देखो इधर देख सकते हैं लक्षद्वीप में कोकोनट trees we can see in this area. So see here fishing is the means of livelihood, means जीने के लिए वो फिशिंग करते हैं. because in the coastal area we can see the lot of fish, that's why here they are living depend on fishing. People are living depend on the fishing. These islands are well connected by the sea and air routes with the Mumbai and तिरुवनंतपुरम. उसमें हम सी रूट्स देख सकते हैं, मुंबई से तिरुवनंतपुरम तक इधर आ सकते हैं. इधर सी रूट्स हैं उसमें जाने आने के लिए, इसमें इधर जाने के लिए. हियर इन तिरुवनंतपुरम एंड हियर मुंबई. फ्रॉम देयर दे आर यूजिंग द रूट्स, एयर रूट्स मीन्स एयरवेज, एरोप्लेन से वो जाते आते हैं. नेक्स्ट, so see children, Andaman and Nicobar is Andaman and Nicobar islands are separated by the Bay of Bengal and see children, Andaman and Nicobar islands are separated by 10-degree canal. So see here 10-degree canal. And then this is what Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. Understood this? Next, life in the region. Before I thought Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, these all the coastal areas are all comes in coastal plains and islands also. So see here we are going to study about the what is the lifestyle in that area. Parts of the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are covered by the two coastal plains, eastern and western. Both the plains are in these states. All the plains are covered by these states. So see here, Gujarat का हम स्टडी करेंगे आज. गुजरात, Ahmedabad is the largest city in the Gujarat. Near the city is located the Sabarmati Ashram. Gujarat comes in this. Here is Gujarat. In this Gujarat, capital city is what? Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city. Gujarat. In the Gujarat, near city is located Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram बोले तो क्या? That was the house of गांधी जी. गांधी जी वहाँ रहते थे many years before. So गांधीनगर is the capital city. गुजरात का कैपिटल सिटी गांधीनगर है और अहमदाबाद इज लार्जेस्ट सिटी है उसमें. सो साबरमती इज नेम ऑफ हाउस इज दैट वेयर दे गांधी जी, महात्मा गांधी जी इज लिव फॉर मेनी ईयर्स. सो सी हियर most of the people here are traders or farmers. Farmers grow jowar, bajra, wheat, sugarcane and cotton. Gujarat is popular all over the world for its dairy. हे गुजरात में कौन सा क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं इन दिस एरिया? इन दिस एरिया इज ग्रोइंग दैट क्रॉप्स लाइक जॉर, बाजरा, wheat, sugarcane. जॉर, बाजरा, wheat, sugarcane and cotton. गुजरात पॉपुलर है. किसके लिए पॉपुलर है? दिस गुजरात इज पॉपुलर फॉर डेयरी मिल्क. सो डेयरी, विच डेयरी? इज मिल्क डेयरी. कौन सा है? देखो प्रोडक्ट्स, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स. आनंद इज कॉल्ड द मिल्क कैपिटल. मिल्क कैपिटल किसको बोलते हैं? आनंद. आनंद को मिल्क कैपिटल बोलते हैं ऑफ इंडिया. अमूल, सी अमूल, हमें बटर, घी सब खाते हैं ना, AMUL अमूल. सो आनंद मिल्क यूनियन लिमिटेड, उसका लॉन्ग फॉर्म क्या है अमूल का? आनंद मिल्क यूनियन लिमिटेड. सो दिस इज अ मिल्क डेयरी दैट इज इन Gujarat. Well known as a brand of dairy products is also based here Ahmedabad is the largest city and the famous textile center. अहमदाबाद वो लार्जेस्ट सिटी है, वो किसके लिए फेमस है? टेक्सटाइल के लिए, टेक्सटाइल के लिए फेमस है एंड डेयरी के लिए भी फेमस है. अमूल बटर, अमूल घी, अमूल प्रोडक्ट्स, अमूल डेयरी मिल्क, सब बहुत सारे हम अमूल का प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं ना, वो सब इधर गुजरात में प्रोड्यूस होता है. द गिर नेशनल पार्क इज आल्सो सिचुएटेड हियर, वेयर गुजरात में ये नेशनल पार्क भी हम देख सकते हैं. इट इज़ होम टू द एसेटिक लायन. एसेटिक लायन मीन्स एशियन लायंस लाइक दिस टाइप, दिस एसेटिक लायन इज दिस. So Gujarat is a language. Gujarati is a language spoken here. Men wear dhoti, kurta and coat. People wear, gents are wear dhoti, kurta and coat. They also wear turbans. Turbans बोले तो फेटा और caps. Women wear saris, lehenga and choli. वुमेन्स लहंगा चोली यूज़ करते हैं और मेंस यूज़ करते हैं धोती कुर्ता और ऊपर टर्बन्स मीन्स वो फेटा भी वो यूज़ करते हैं इन दिस गुजरात. सो गरबा इज़ ए पॉपुलर फोक डांस ऑफ द दिस स्टेट. गुजरात में फेमस डांस कौन सा है? गरबा. वो गरबा हम नवरात्रि में खेलते हैं ना, वो डांस इधर से फेमस है. नेक्स्ट Maharashtra. Maharashtra is in, we can see the Maharashtra here in this area. So देखो महाराष्ट्र इधर आता है. In this Maharashtra, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is also called a commercial and entertainment capital of India. Entertainment के लिए भी और commercial के भी ये famous है. This is, that's why it is called a commercial and entertainment capital of India. It is situated on Konkan coast. It has the largest seaport of the India. Here we can see the Mumbai. Mumbai is, that comes in coastal plains में आता है. Here we can see the famous largest seaport also we can see in this area. Petroleum is found in Bombay High, a seabed near the Mumbai. Mahalakshmi temple and Haji Ali are two places of religious importance. Here हम मुंबई हाई में इधर पेट्रोलियम फाउंड कर सकते हैं, इधर से हम पेट्रोलियम ले सकते हैं. वी कैन टेक द पेट्रोलियम फ्रॉम दिस बॉम्बे हाई. फ्रॉम देयर फेमस टेम्पल्स आर महालक्ष्मी एंड हाजी अली. These are the religious importance of this place. There are many beaches in the Mumbai. It is also known as the city of dreams because of Bollywood. Bollywood because we can see the many cinemas and cinema actors we can see in this Mumbai. That's why this is called, Mumbai is called city of dreams. Maharashtra is city of dreams. So next Goa. We can see this Goa, small state is we can see in this in our country. So Goa lies to the south of Maharashtra. Panaji is the capital city. People of Goa are either farmers or fishermen. Farmers here grow the rice, coconut, mangoes and cashew. Cashew बोले तो खाजू. Port Aguda is beautiful. This is Port Aguda. It is a famous port in that Goa. Here people, Goa's capital city is Panaji. Here Goa's peoples are engaged in farming work. Otherwise they are fishing work, fishermen. They are fishing work they are doing. Farmers they are growing the coconuts and mangoes, cashew nuts. So in this area here, see children, beaches and churches are famous places of tourist interest. Here we can see the Goa. In this Goa country we can see the Goa state we can see many churches and beaches that is famous for tourist. Folk dance of a which is Mondo is the famous folk dance. वहाँ की लोग मोंडो that is a folk dance है, वो खेलते हैं। नेक्स्ट कर्नाटका, कर्नाटका वी कैन सी इन this is a Karnataka. The Karnataka, the coastal area of Karnataka are covered with the thick teak forest. thick forest बोले तो सागवानी का ट्रीज बहुत सारे in this forest. So in this forest, Bangalore is the capital city of the state. Spices and coconuts are grow here mainly. Here spices बोले तो मसाले, coconut है बहुत सारे grow होते हैं. They growing in this region in this Karnataka. Mangaluru is the important seaport. Tea and coffee plantations are located on the hill slopes of Karnataka. Karnataka in that hill slope, there they are in this sea. Here in this Karnataka, they are growing the tea because hill slopes are there. That's why they are growing the teas and then coffee. Next, Kerala. Kerala we can see in this here. This is a Kerala. So see here children. Kerala is also called a God's own country. God's own country. It is a beautiful state. What? Kerala is a beautiful state. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of this Kerala. Capital city of Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram capital city because everywhere we can see the good nature. Rice is the main crops and other crops grow here are coconut, rubber, coffee, cocoa and spices. It is also called a land of coconut because most quantity coconuts they are growing in the Kerala. That's why that Kerala is called land of coconut and God's own country भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि that Kerala is very beautiful. Nature is there, scenery we can see in there. That's why this is God's own country भी बोलते हैं और land of coconut. The coconut tree is called the tree of wealth. Tree of wealth means whole and soul. These coconut trees of Kerala, that coconut trees, each parts are useful. That's why this coconut tree is called the tree of wealth. इस ट्री को ट्री ऑफ वेल्थ भी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट कल्पवृक्ष भी बोलते हैं इसको. नेक्स्ट, since all the parts are useful, the core from the coconut cells is used to make a rope. उसका यूज से उसकी कोकोनट सेल से क्या यूज़ करते हैं? रोप्स बोले तो डोरी, थ्रेड्स, डोरी नहीं दो बहुत सारे रोप्स बनाते हैं और कारपेट्स, मैट्स एंड मैट्रेस. And Malayalam and English are the main language spoken here. In this Kerala, they are speaking English and Kerala Malayalam language they are speaking. And that Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the famous classical dances are famous in that Kerala. In this state, Onam is an important festival. The ओनम इज फेस्टिवल में इम्पॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. स्नेक बोट रेस इज हेल्ड ड्यूरिंग द ओनम फेस्टिवल की दिन वो स्नेक बोट रेस भी वो हेल्ड कर रखते हैं. एंड केरला हैज़ द हाईएस्ट लिटरेसी रेट इन द इंडिया. कोची इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट पोर्ट्स इन इंडिया. कोची और शिप पोर्ट भी है. एंड देन इन दैट केरला वी कैन सी द हाईएस्ट लिटरेसी रेट इन आवर इन कंट्री. बहुत सारे लिटरेसी पीपल वी कैन सी इन द केरला. सो अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन. नेक्स्ट, वेस्ट बंगाल में क्या होता है? देखो, वेस्ट बंगाल सिटी ऑफ द वेस्ट बंगाल, द मेन क्रॉप्स ग्रो हियर आर जूट एंड राइस. वेस्ट बंगाल इधर आता है. देखो, वेस्ट बंगाल में क्या ग्रो करते हैं? जूट एंड राइस. मेनी जूट and textile mills are situated here. There they are growing jute and rice. That's why jute mills, textile mills we can see in that West Bengal. Durga Puja is the most popular festival. Most popular festival is what? Durga Puja. So understood children, Odisha's that I am explaining on next period. Thank you.